one move that's going to completely transform your conversation skills when it comes to meeting beautiful women. If you want to get that girl into your coffee shop, then this is the video for you, baby. But you're from Vegas,
born and raised in Las Vegas.
Okay. I wouldn't have guessed that.
Really? Where do you think I would be from?
Like LA?
Oh, I mean, it's like the same thing. It's like 3 hours away. Las Vegas
Oh,
is
yeah?
going to turn into
No.
LA anyway.
It's a completely different vibe, LA and Las
You think
Vegas.
so?
Yeah.
I say it's
The people are different,
Yeah.
the city is different. I feel like Las Vegas is more chill.
Okay,
got
yeah,
a
we
more
are
chill
pretty
vibe.
lax. We're pretty laid.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe it's a West Coast thing.
Yeah, I've got ahead as well, but another time I can invite you for a romantic dinner. Do you like McDonald's? No, I'm joking.
I know you're just, McDonald's is perfect. That's it. That's
Yeah?
like the
McDonald's is that the dream?
Yes, that's like 5-star here in Vegas.
Or In-N-Out?
We always eat. Oh yeah. Did you get an In-N-Out burger yet?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
did? It's immaculate. It's
good,
It's
yeah.
so good. We have the best burgers.
Yeah.
Honestly.
So that would be the dream date location.
In-N-Out on the link.
Yeah.
I didn't get your name actually.
Navid.
Nav.
Yeah. You. All right. Nice to meet you. Well, yeah, I can
Yeah,
send you a message.
yeah, you can get my.
Do you guys do WhatsApp or?
I don't have WhatsApp, but I'll probably
iMessage?
download it. I use iMessage.
Hey bro, it's Coach Nav in Vegas, baby. And today we're going to be diving into one attraction move that will transform your conversation, right? You won't believe how much this will change your game and get that beautiful girl attracted to you. Now, what a lot of guys do when they talk to a beautiful girl, and you might have heard this in a bar, when you overheard an average guy to talk to a beautiful girl, is usually they go into this agreeable mode. So we're in Vegas right now, and a lot of girls are, well, not a lot, but a few are like, oh yeah, Vegas is superficial and it's very intense. And in that situation, if the girl is beautiful, of course, you'd want to kind of agree with her, right? You want to be like, oh yeah, that's true, to get a connection. But instead what you want to do is disagree, because when you disagree, it builds attraction, because the girl is not used to it, especially when she's super attractive. She's not used to guys disagreeing with her, right? And that way, what's going to happen is she's going to be like, oh, okay, this guy's high value. He's on my level. He's not like these guys where they're just trying to get with her, right? Because when you do that, you're agreeable. She's like, oh, okay, this guy's trying this strategy of just like, making me like him. So, he can get with me. Whereas you want to do the opposite, right? You want to not get along with her, right? That's what attraction is. It's the opposite of what guys are used to, what's autopilot for us to do in an interaction. When we see a beautiful girl, we just want to make her like us by being agreeable, by getting that connection, right? But instead, it's actually the disconnection, which is called breaking rapport. That's what you want to be doing. So anyway, I was talking to this girl from Miami, and she was saying how, oh yeah, Vegas is a little bit too intense, there's a lot of people around, and she prefers to live in Miami. And in that situation, of course, I disagreed with her, and I said, well, you know what, if you go 20 minutes off the strip, it's actually not even, that intense. It's probably more chill than Miami, right? And as soon as I said that, you could see her eyes just lit up, and she was like, yeah, this guy's got game. No, but she was attracted, right? So go try this out. Maybe for one day, just go out, and for your goal, just practice this move, right? Just disagree on a topic. Now, you don't want to overdo it. You just want to do it once or twice, right? Because if you overdo it, it kind of becomes like kids just arguing all day, and she will get bored of it. So go out there and actually say your opinion on it, right? So yeah, another thing is, let's say if you do agree with her, there's always something that you could disagree with. For example, Vegas on the strip is intense. So I could have told her, oh yeah, you're right, it's quite intense on the strip. But instead, I used that scenario of going outside the strip to disagree with her. So sometimes you can't even agree with her, you might even agree on that topic, but try to come up with something just to do that move.
So you guys are visiting for vacation?
No, we work here.
Oh, you work here?
We live here, yeah. Unfortunately.
Yeah? You don't like the Vegas vibes?
It's just hot. That's it.
But the thing is, it's dry heat, right?
Yes.
Because I was in Miami and it wasn't as hot as here, but like the humidity was insane.
I love humidity.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we're the opposite.
What are you doing tonight?
Tonight?
Yes.
Well, we're actually going to go to the Chandelier Bar with my friend.
Oh, at the Cosmo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you guys like to join us?
I think we're okay. Yeah, we're meeting up with some friends. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I can invite you another time.
Okay, let me know. Yeah.
Do you have WhatsApp?
Yes, I do.
Now, if you want your dream girl, if you want her right next to you, then what I want you to do is smash that like button, because the content I'm going to be creating is going to do exactly that. It's going to get your dream girl. And I'll see you in the next video, baby. Nav!